Hey guys, my name is Rafael from Avant Auto Sales, and today, another walk around. Seems like a few hours ago I was back here doing a walk around, but yet here I am again. Today is the turn of a 2009 Mazda 3. I'm a sucker for these Mazdas. I love them. This one is an 09. It has 115,000 miles and it's super clean. We put a motor mount. We changed all the window regulators that were bad. Has nice wheels. Is super clean. Check this out. No tears, no rips, no nothing. And look at the rear seat. It's a little bit dirty, but nothing out of the ordinary. It has an automatic transmission. Look, AC is cold, heat is hot, just for that one day of winter. Let's see if it starts. Starts right up. You don't have any check engine lights. The only light that you have is the tire light right here. And look, it has 115,000 miles. A lot of life left to give. Radio works. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Radio works. Automatic transmission, 2.0 liter engine, which makes it great on gas. Put it in reverse. Engages right away. Let's put it in drive. Engages right away. I personally drove this one for a few minutes today, trying to test drive so you don't have to deal with any problems, and drives really good. It has the controls on the steering wheel, has a cruise control. We're working a bunch more cars for you, and it's ready to go. Bring us $998 down, $1,000 down plus tax and tag, and you will be an owner of this beauty. As always, it's priced to sell, and if you finance with us, you can build your credit with Avant. Let's try this. Here's the key. Starts it up. 2009 Mazda 3, available now, $998 down plus tax and tag. Come get it because this won't last. Thank you.
Listen to my daddy. He knows what he's talking about.
See, she knows.